So what I'm doing here today is I'm actually looking for a backsplash for my parents' house. So if you guys have been following, you know that they lost everything in their house. So we are going to DIY a backsplash for them, and I am so excited. I cannot wait. I partnered with Floor Decor for this video and for this DIY. I am so excited for it. So let's get started with looking at some cool backsplash. How cute is this right here, guys? I love this brick. So they have like a bunch of different options. If you guys don't really know what your inspiration is or what you want, look at all these options they have. Like this right here is so my style. Like that is so pretty. So if you're lacking inspiration, definitely come to a Floor Decor and you definitely will get inspired. Like they have so many different options, so many different styles, which is so cool. Like that is so pretty. The white brick right there, or even like tile like this that's very wood looking. That is so pretty. So definitely check out your Floor Decor because you guys will definitely get inspired here. So we're here at Floor Decor and we are partnering with them on a video, which I am so excited for. It's going to be a DIY backsplash video, and it's for my parents' house because they've gone through so much the past since June. In June they dealt with that flood. So since June they have not been in their house. They barely went back to their house, I want to say in October, and we wanted to surprise them with the backsplash. So I asked my mom like what kind of backsplash she wanted without mentioning that I was going to partner up with Floor Decor for a video, which I am so excited for. Thank you to Floor Decor for sponsoring this video. You guys are the best. I worked with them before on our wood floors, which we love, and I actually am going to do a update video on that because we have loved them. We've had them for about, how long have we had the floors? Like 2 years? Yeah, and no issues with them. They're amazing. So once again, thank you to Floor Decor for sponsoring this video. We are so excited to do this backsplash. It's actually our first time doing backsplash, but I'd rather it be these 12x12s. This is what we're gonna choose. My mom wanted a stone and a very natural looking tile because the cabinets are so dark. So that's what we're going for. There's Daryl.
Howdy doody.
But we're so excited to do this video. Look, he's always like right here when I'm filming because he's so tall.
What's up, guys?
We're so excited to do this video and to help my parents out for this really cool DIY with Floor Decor.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. Thank you, Floor Decor. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, I think so too.
All right, so it's really simple because if you look at the side where the stove and the refrigerator is, it's 4 full sheets there, and then these are 12, so we got 2 more inches on top. So the 2 more inches, let me see, 2, 4, 6, so it's gonna be a row. So we're gonna need 4 rows, so basically just 5. 5 will do, we'll have a little bit left over. And that's gonna work for the part of where the stove is, stove and the refrigerator, 5 of these. I have a feeling it's gonna be all of this. I have a feeling. Okay. So it's 8 across, right? 8 feet across, right? It's 8 feet, but you have 2, so it's really 12. It's really 12 feet total, right? Okay. So 12 feet total. So there's 12 feet. Actually, you just go by. Yeah, it's so easy. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? This is 12. It's probably just enough. Just double check here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it's the same concept, so we're going to have need 12 lines. So yeah, so literally, I called it. I freaking called it. It's the perfect. It's a God thing. That's a God thing. How many they have? It's great. It's great. I love it. It's so simple. All right, let's go. This is super classic. Look at the stonework, dude. I like it.
It's really pretty. Look at those like wood walls right there.
What's up, man?
Look how pretty that is.
So they all come at a piece. This is nice.
Ooh.
12 bucks, 15 bucks.
That would be a really pretty accent wall.
Like, seriously, if we weren't doing a fireplace the way that we're doing it, it's perfect for a fireplace. Would you do this?
I would. The only thing is that it matches the flooring that we have.
I know what I'm saying. Like, somebody else's house. They have like light floors.
Oh, for sure.
You see what I'm saying?
For sure.
All day long. Like, nice.
That's beautiful. Okay, so we are in a pickle right now. I'm gonna place you guys right there. So we're trying to figure out which finish to get. I don't really like finished products. Like when we make it like the desk and stuff, that rustic, unfinished look, I love that. But Daryl over here,
I like a little bit of finish. Not like over the top, not like it's like you're at a restaurant, you look at their tables in the restaurant, and you can tell it's like layers and layers.
You do like that.
I don't like that though. I don't like layers and layers of polyurethane.
Okay.
I just like a little bit, just so it's like, it's sealed. So I like a little bit of finish. And I think we should do a little bit of finish because it's gonna give that tile like the pop look, you know, it's gonna look like it's gonna shine.
I like a matte finish. Okay, my camera died, so I think my camera was basically saying, Daryl, shut up. Lori's right. No, I think we're gonna go with the little semi-gloss. Semi-gloss. Semi-gloss.
Semi-gloss.
Semi-gloss.
Hey guys, it's Daryl, and we are here today in the in-laws house. So let me tell you what happened. 6 months ago, the entire house got hit with a crazy torrential rainstorm, and so it poured down and it actually ruined a lot of the house. The furniture, the appliances, the cabinetry, all of that got ruined. But luckily, through just all types of great things happening here, the cabinets have been restored, the floor has been restored, all types of good stuff. Today, Floor Decor is actually helping us put on the finishing touches when it comes to the backsplash. So that's what you're going to see us do today, so it's going to be great. Stick around.
So as you can see, there's still some damage on the wall. This backsplash is going to completely transform the kitchen. I am so excited. A backsplash can easily transform your kitchen or any wall, and it's so affordable. This project ended up costing us around $250, but for what it did to the kitchen is completely worth it, and we were so impressed with it. So the parents didn't want us to remove the electric covers, so we just did the backsplash around it. And the next day, Daryl actually got really sick, and my dad ended up doing most of the work, and he did such an amazing job. I was so proud of him. So really, he can do DIYs just as long as the Cowboys aren't playing. So here is the finished product, you guys. It's completely transformed the kitchen. My parents are so in love with it, and we're so grateful to Floor Decor for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much. So make sure you guys go to Floor Decor and check them out. You guys will find all type of inspiration. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.